Across the globe, myriad places exist where an encounter with a dangerous creature isn't just possible, it's likely. Yet, it's crucial to approach these creatures with a sense of awe and respect. An unexpected meeting could turn perilous quickly. Fortunately, nature documentaries and various forms of media have educated many of us about these formidable beings. We're clued in on their appearances, habitats, and for the well-prepared among us, how to safely manage an encounter. Despite this, it's essential to distinguish fact from fiction. Media portrayals have inflated the danger levels of certain animals, casting them in a more menacing light than warranted. In our conversation today, we'll peel back the layers of misconceptions surrounding these often misunderstood animals. While they do pose a risk, the actual danger they present to humans is frequently overstated. Without further delay, let's plunge into our exploration, starting with the oceanic and riverine domains of stingrays. Beyond their intimidating reputation lies a world ripe for exploration. As we venture further, we'll challenge myths, unveil intriguing truths, and cultivate a richer connection with nature. Our goal is for listeners of all ages to gain a deeper appreciation and knowledge of these extraordinary creatures, transforming fear into respect. Stingrays, those intriguing relatives of sharks, are easily recognized by their distinct flat bodies and whip-like tails. They're spread across 8 families with a rich variety numbering 220 species in 29 genera. These adaptable fish have made homes in varied aquatic environments around the globe, thriving in both the chilly depths and warmer waters in both saltwater and freshwater habitats. Dating back to the late Jurassic period, stingrays have a long history on our planet, evolving and spreading during the Cretaceous period. Their dietary habits are as diverse as their habitats. Some stingrays prefer the challenge of cracking open, hard-shelled mollusks and crustaceans, while others sift through the water for plankton. It's a common myth that humans might be on their diet, but actually, human stingray encounters are mostly accidental, often occurring when a stingray feels threatened or stepped on. In defense, they can unleash a sharp sting from the serrated barb on their tail, a mechanism that varies in danger based on the venom's strength, barb size, and the stingray's general demeanor. Particularly, the blue-spotted stingrays stand out for their highly toxic venom, capable of being deadly. For some of the larger stingrays, it's not the venom, but the size of the barb that poses a significant risk capable of inflicting severe injuries. And some stingrays, more curious by nature, might approach humans more frequently, potentially leading to more encounters. However, it's crucial to understand that stingrays, by and large, are docile beings. The unfortunate event in 2006 that led to the death of Steve Irwin, a renowned wildlife conservationist by a stingray barb, has since cast these sea creatures in a somewhat menacing light. Despite this perception, it's important to remember that incidents resulting in death are exceedingly rare, with just 17 known cases worldwide. When in the company of a stingray, approaching with respect and caution is vital. These serene animals serve as a reminder of the respect we ought to hold for all wildlife. As we continue our exploration and move on to discuss other fascinating animals, let's carry forward this ethos of respect and curiosity, aiming to deepen our bond with the myriad forms of life that share our planet. It's through understanding and appreciation that we can truly celebrate the intricate roles these creatures play in the broader ecosystem. Exploring the vast landscapes of the Americas, we're greeted by the awe-inspiring cougar, a creature with many aliases such as the puma, mountain lion, or panther, depending on its geographical location. This variation in names reflects the cougar's broad distribution, from the western regions of North America through the heart of Central America to the expanses of South America. This extensive territory has given rise to numerous subspecies, including the well-known Florida panther. As the second largest feline in the Americas, only the jaguar outmatches it in size. Although formidable hunters, cougars don't always reign supreme in their ecosystems, often yielding their prey to other predators like bears, wolves, and the dominant jaguar in South America's wilds. The cougar's remarkable ability to adapt to various environments, whether it be dense forests, arid deserts, or marshy swamps, allows it to pursue a diverse diet from elk and coyotes to guanacos. This versatility is a key factor in their widespread success. Over the years, there have been instances of cougars attacking humans, with documented cases stretching back to 1868. Notably, the majority of these unfortunate incidents involved children, although there's been a noticeable shift in recent years with all victims since the turn of the millennium being adults over the age of 30. The most recent of these tragic events took place in Oregon in September 2018, a first for the state. While the potential for danger exists, the occurrence of cougar attacks remains relatively rare, particularly when compared to the risks posed by snake bites or the odds of being struck by lightning. Since 2000, there have been merely 5 fatal cougar encounters in North America, often involving unsupervised children, highlighting the need for vigilance. Nonetheless, cougars typically avoid human contact and can usually be deterred if encountered. Cougars represent the delicate balance between nature's allure and its inherent risks. Although they are capable of becoming daunting foes, the chance of experiencing a cougar attack is minimal, placing them lower on the list of wildlife threats. By gaining an understanding of these noble beasts and observing proper safety measures, we can minimize the likelihood of such encounters. As we continue our exploration to introduce another captivating species, let's appreciate the significance of living harmoniously with the myriad life forms that inhabit our world, cherishing their natural habitats and acknowledging their vital contributions to the ecological tapestry. Black widow spider, a creature enveloped in an almost legendary aura among spiders. Despite the notoriety surrounding the black widow name, many aspects of these spiders remain unknown to the general populace. There's a widespread belief that black widows rank as the deadliest spiders on Earth, with rumors claiming a single bite could be fatal. Yet, the term black widow applies to a group of spiders, not just one. These spiders vary widely in appearance and danger level, but only a select few are genuinely dangerous. Spider fear is pretty common, but actual deaths from even the most venomous spiders are exceedingly rare. Consider the Sydney funnel web spider, one of the deadliest known to humans, which has been linked to just 13 deaths. The introduction of antivenom in 1981 brought these numbers down to none. Similarly, the availability of antivenom for black widow bites significantly reduces their threat. Around 2,500 black widow bites are reported in the United States yearly, yet most victims recover without needing serious medical care. Annually, only 4 to 8 people succumb to these bites, challenging the widespread belief in their fatal nature. Typically, black widows aren't aggressive and may deliver a dry bite that doesn't inject venom, meaning no treatment is necessary. Historically, the most perilous incidents involved the Mediterranean black widow, particularly notorious for fatal bites in the early 20th century and found mainly around the Mediterranean region. The menacing image of black widow spiders has been blown out of proportion by the entertainment industry, depicting them as much more dangerous than they actually are. Although it's wise to be cautious, the perceived threat they pose is often exaggerated. Our planet is home to a plethora of fascinating animals and creatures, any of which could have been the subject of our discussion today, highlighting the incredible diversity of wildlife. If you're keen to discover more about such interesting creatures, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Thanks for watching, and if you found this journey into the life of the black widow spider engaging, remember to hit like, subscribe for more nature insights, and stay tuned. Until we meet again, farewell.